taking the day off today, well, the second half of the day off, because I'm applying for a passport. Because I'm going out to Vancouver in April, and I wanted to go down to Seattle to visit Ron and Alita and Peter. I figured, hey, I should probably get a passport going to Steenbach, or Steinbach, depends how you say it, I guess. And I'll apply for my third passport in a year. Well, almost a year and a half. Anyway.
Summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
I don't need to be in another vlog. I was already in one enough, and that was bad enough.
Oh, come on, Nathan. Everybody needs to see your new haircut.
Nobody gives a crap about my new haircut.
Okay.
But this actually does go in the vlog. I want people to comment, say whether they actually care or not. I will guarantee you that no one gives it two inches.
You know, for someone who's like, oh no, don't put me in a vlog, he's like the only one that ever says comment about stuff. So he must, to some extent, like it.
Hey.
Alright, I'll finish up and we can go. Yeah, I know your car starts automatically.
Way to spoil the fun.
What fun? Nathan, what fun? What brat?
You are a brat. Actually, no, yesterday my car was a brat, but that's a whole new story. And nobody in the vlog wants to hear that, so we should No, it's just the other...
So, Nathan and I, we went...
Drag me into this.
Yes, I will drag you into this, because we went to co-op together. And what did we buy? I bought an Arizona, Nathan bought a tea, just a regular tea, not an iced tea. Anyway, I got up to the little door thing that had the drinks in it, and what do I see? But my favorite Arizona ever. But what is on the corner? Yes, it costs $1.30 now, instead of $1 it cost like 2 weeks ago. So, this is my favorite drink ever. I'm kind of pissed because now I'm going to spend more money. Because for every 3 of these I buy, I can buy another one. Except I can't, because they're more expensive.
I think you got an addiction.
It is not. I do not have a problem, Nathan. Isn't that? Oh, shoot, that's what the addicts say.
Hashtag Riley needs help. I don't know if I like that hashtag.
It feels like I'm got some other issues.
But hashtag Riley needs help in the comments.
You and your comments. So Nathan and I just made it to SBC, and I just realized that not only do the cans now cost $1.30, they only have you can't see it there, but 680 milliliters, whereas the old ones had 950. They're down the size and up the price. Nathan, this is BS. I'm calling it. I'm calling it out. Hey Ian. We, Nathan and Austin went to youth, and then now I'm with, well, it's a bunch of people. So Carson's over there, and then there's Emily, and there's Melissa, and there's Mara, and Megan's down on the floor, grinding coffee. Grinding coffee beans. Having fun there, Megan?
Yes.
I think Ben's in the next room. Let's see what Ben's up to.
Piano.
Ben's playing piano? Well, look at that, Ben.
Call this one whale noises.
I would clap, but...
I would clap, but it wasn't very good.
Should we come up in the video?
I have weird friends. Do you know the our other chord, Heart and Soul?
No.
Like
I do.
You do? Okay, you're gonna go with me.
Okay.
You ready, Emily?
That's really gross. Hang on.
Yes.
What do you think, Ian? Oh, there's some better lighting. Thank you, Karsten. I appreciate that. Megan's sitting all alone.
Which one?
All alone.
No.
All alone. It's time to get a watch, Ben.
I'm gonna hurt you. Never mind. I love Riley.
Why is it black and white?
Because after 10 o'clock it goes gray.
Your whole phone turns gray?
Yeah, it does. So like everything.
That wouldn't stop
You
me.
can set that.
You can.
Oh,
In
I
your
have
settings.
okay, cool thing because I watch like too much.
So right now, I'm outside. It's minus 13, and I'm just wearing my red jacket. A little bit colder than I anticipated, but it's still not too bad. And besides, I got the fire to keep me warm, so that's nice. Yeah, I guess that about calls it for this this vlog episode. So I just want to tell you all people out there that God loves you a lot.